everyone, welcome to my video. We are here in Palermo. I'm recording this video on 17th of March, on Monday. And we are here in Sicily for a week. And we decided to introduce you the city and talk about the history a little and show some views. For example, here we got a nice church. So, Katya, do you want to talk about the history or anything related to Palermo?
Yeah, so in the last 200 years or so, Palermo and Sicily at large fought very hard in unification, for unification of Italy. They believed very strongly in the original mission, which was to unify the country under the laws of the people, including the poor people.
I must say that the cheapest and the best food we had in Italy, we had them here in Palermo, Sicily. You can find various street food options for just a couple of euros. And if you pay a little more than that, you can have a fine dinner with that money. We got so shocked after we saw the prices in Venice. So we forgot to take a final video yesterday, and so we can finalize it now. So, if may I ask you, like, how do you summarize here in Palermo or Sicily, like even with the keywords, like what would you want to say? I know a few things like no mafia and food, but you know better than me, so on it.
Yeah, I would say ancient, but also just very warm, bright, happy, very alive. We saw it was very alive. Very incredibly symbolic, incredibly mixed as well. It's a very mixed population, which is very, very cool. Yeah.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.
Öyle bir içimden geldi. Aslında bu yoktu. Bu yoktu. Anasını satayım, içimden geldi.
High. So to get it better, here it's 28 meters high. So 50 meters there, I mean it's a little bit less than twice more. And only the stage, so without the backstage, is twice this room with the orchestra put in. The greatness of the place comes from the stage, not from the auditorium like it's the case usually.
Speak to you for a second?
About?
I'm making an Instagram video about our New Year. I'm Persian, and in Persian, it's our New Year tomorrow. So I'm asking my foreign friends to say Eidatun Mubarak in our language, and I'm
Okay.
taking a video to say
Yeah.
which accent is better. Is it okay for you to
Yeah.
say?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so let's practice. Eidatun Mubarak.
It's Arabic, I guess.
No, it's Persian.
Okay.
Okay. Eidatun Mubarak. Can you say that?
Eidatun Mubarak.
Very good. Can you say it together?
Eidatun Mubarak.
Very good. Okay, can I take a video?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, thank you.
First. By the way, I'm recording.
You're recording.
For archive, maybe I won't publish, maybe I do.